Smaller doesn't automatically mean cheaper, and the sellers who regret their move aren't the ones who downsize. They're the ones who assumed the math would work and never actually ran it. And if you're in Naperville thinking about selling and moving to Plainfield or into a maintenance-included HOA community, the biggest mistake you can make is assuming your monthly costs drop just because your square footage does. Before you assume your payment goes down, let's look at your full picture in a short seller strategy call so you're not guessing. Because downsizing doesn't automatically reduce cost, it changes the cost structure. And that shift is where most surprises happen. When most empty nesters start thinking about this move, the logic feels obvious. A bigger house, bigger bills. A smaller house, smaller bills. But that's not how it usually plays out. When someone sells in Naperville and buys in Plainfield, especially in an HOA community, they're not just reducing size, they're shifting from variable costs to fixed costs. In a larger home without an HOA, many expenses are unpredictable. The roof eventually needs replacing, HVAC systems wear out, and driveways crack. Exterior paint fades and landscaping fluctuates. Some years feel inexpensive and some years feel heavy. It's volatile. And when you move into a maintenance-included HOA community, particularly 55 and over neighborhoods, that volatility often gets replaced with predictability. Instead of surprise expenses, you now have a fixed monthly HOA fee. In suburban Illinois, those fees vary depending on what's included, such as landscaping, snow removal, exterior maintenance, amenities, and that's not a negative. For many downsizers, that's predictability is exactly what they want. But it is fixed. It doesn't disappear in years when nothing breaks. So the math shifts. Not automatically higher, not automatically lower, just structured differently. The second area where sellers get surprised is property taxes. In Illinois, property taxes are tied to assessed value and local tax structures. When you've owned in Naperville for years, your property tax pattern feels stable and familiar. When you sell and buy again, especially newer construction or newer resale, that equation recalibrates. New purchase price, new assessed value. Potentially a different tax structure if you move municipalities. Plainfield operates differently than Naperville. That doesn't mean better or worse. It just means you can't assume smaller house equals proportionally smaller tax bill. The math needs to be reviewed intentionally, not emotionally. The third shift is what I call the upgrade reality. Many Naperville downsizers heading towards Plainfield are looking at newer homes, sometimes new constructions, and sometimes nearly new resale. Newer homes often carry premiums in design center upgrades, lot premiums, finished basements, sunrooms, and higher-end kitchens. Even resale homes that are fully updated reflect that convenience in the purchase price, and emotionally it makes sense. You're simplifying your life. You don't want to move and renovate, so you pay for move-in readiness. Again, it's not wrong, just part of the full cost structure. Then there's the lifestyle premium. There's lower maintenance, community amenities, neighbors in similar life stages, first floor living, lock and leave flexibility. And for many downsizers, this is the real win. But lifestyle improvements often prioritize predictability over dramatic savings. Instead of maybe I'll need a roof in 5 years, it becomes I know exactly what I'm paying every month. And for some people, that peace of mind is absolutely worth it. For others, they expected a big financial drop and instead found more of a lateral shift. That's where expectations matter. And here's something most people don't realize. The order of your move, whether you sell first or buy first, can actually amplify this cost shift. If you buy before you sell, you may temporarily carry two cost structures. If you sell first, you may gain clarity but sacrifice convenience. I break that sequencing decision down in another video because it impacts this math more than most sellers expect. It's not just emotional, it's structural. Here's the mental model I want you to leave with. Downsizing is a lifestyle decision first. The math needs to confirm it, not surprise you after you close. If your goal is lower maintenance, simpler living and more predictability, an HOA community in Plainfield may align beautifully. But if your goal is my monthly costs must dramatically decrease, that's where we slow down and map it out. Before you assume your payment drops, let's look at your full picture in a short seller strategy call so you're not guessing. We'll map your current cost structure, how HOA fees shift it, and how a new purchase recalibrates taxes, and whether the move supports your lifestyle the way you expect it to. No pressure, no commitment, just clarity before you make a major decision. Because the biggest mistake isn't downsizing, it's assuming the math works without actually running it. If you're in Naperville considering a move to Plainfield or into a maintenance included community, this is exactly the kind of conversation that prevents regret. And I'm Sean Gimpert with O'Neill Property Group, and we help downsizers make decisions that feel smart both financially and personally.